Edexcel International January 2026 Paper 4 Solutions. Question number 1. Given that the binomial expansion of 1 plus ax the whole power n is ascending powers of x, only 4 terms are given. The basic binomial expansion of a plus b the whole power n is equal to nc naught a power n b power 0 plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b power 2 plus nc3 a power n minus 3 b power 3 plus etc. This is the general form of the binomial expansion. Here our expansion is 1 plus ax the whole power n. So 1 plus ax the whole power 1. Let us replace here a as 1 and b as ax. So 1 plus ax the whole power n is equal to nc naught 1 power n b power ax power 0 plus nc1 1 power n minus 1 ax power 1 plus nc2 1 power n minus 2 ax the whole power 2 plus nc3 1 power n minus 3 ax the whole power 3 plus etc. Let us simplify and find the terms. nc naught value is 1 into 1. So the first term is going to be 1 plus nc1 is n 1 power n minus 1 ax. So n into ax plus nc2 is n into n minus 1, 2 terms divided by 1 into 2. That is the expansion of nc2. 1 power n minus 2 and ax the whole square, that is a square x square, plus nc3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, 3 terms divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into a cube x cube plus etc. We have written only 4 terms because our question is mentioned only 4 terms. So enough to write only 4 terms. So this term is equal to 1 plus n ax plus n into n minus 1 by 2 a square x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6 a cube x cube plus etc. This we are going to equate with the given form 1 minus 4x. We are going to equate 1 minus 4x plus 24 by 5 x square plus px cube plus etc. Let us equate with the given terms. So this is our final terms. We are going to equate here to find the value of a and n. So let us equate the coefficient of x. Let us equate the coefficient of x, that is an or na is equal to minus 4. From here, what is the value of a? A equal to minus 4 by n or n equal to minus 4 by a. Let it be. Let us equate the coefficient of x square, that is 24 by 5. So we are going to equate the coefficient of x square, that is n into n minus 1 by 2 a square, which is equal to 24 by 5. Now we can replace the value of a, that is minus 4 by n. It will be change everything into the form of n. So n into n minus 1 times a square, that is 16 by n square divided by 2, which is equal to 24 by 5. So here is going to be n into n minus 1 times 16 divided by 2n square, which is equal to 24 by 5. Now we can cancel the term, one of the term which is n square. N will be cancelled. Here 1, 2 is cancelled. Here is going to be 8. Then this 8 also will be cancelled. Here is going to be 3. So the final terms are, let's do the cross multiplication. 5 times n minus 1, which is equal to 3 times n. So 5n minus 5 or 5n minus 5 is equal to 3n. 5n minus 3n, which is equal to 5. 2n is equal to 5. n equal to 5 by 2. n is 5 by 2. n equal to 5 by 2. Make sure n value 5 by 2 which is greater than 0. So we found the value of n. Then let us find the value of a. a is equal to minus 4 by n value. We can replace n value as 5 by 2. So a is equal to minus 8 by 5. We found the value of a and n. Now the second part of the question is find the value of p. What is p? Coefficient of x cube is p. So here also we are going to equate the coefficient of x cube. P equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6 a cube. So let us equate the coefficient of p. The b part is equating coefficient of x cube. So p is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 6 into a cube. Now we can replace the value of n, which is n equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 times 5 by 2 minus 1 into 5 by 2 minus 2 times a cube. A cube is minus 8 by 5, the whole cube, the whole divided by 6. Let us simplify and find the value of p. So 5 by 2 times 3 by 2 times 1 by 2 times, this numerator is going to be minus 8 times minus 8 times minus 8. The whole divided by 6 into 5 times 5 times 5. Now we are going to cancel the equal terms, that is the common terms. One of the 5 is cancelled. These 2 here cancelled. Then this 3 is cancelled here 2. Then this 2 is cancelled, here is going to be 4. So p is equal to the final terms are 4 8s are 32. One of the term is there is negative minus 32 by 5 5s are 25. This is the value of p. Now part C. The part C is state the set of values of x for which the expansion is valid. So our expansion is 1 plus ax the whole power n. 1 plus ax the whole power n. We know the value of a. A is equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. And n is equal to 5 by 2, which is we already found, that is greater than 0. Now we can find the possible values of x. Our expansion is given 1 minus 4x plus 24 by 5x square plus p. Now we found the value of p also minus 32 by 25 x cube plus etc. This is the expansion. Here make sure the alternate terms are, that is, second term is negative, fourth term is also negative. So similarly, sixth term is negative. So alternate terms are negative and positive. So let's find the possible value of x to be valid this expansion. So 1 plus ax plus 1. What is x? X plus 1 by a. So x equal to minus 1 by a. So what is the value of x? X equal to minus 1 by a. That is x equal to minus 1 by minus 8 by 5. So minus 8 by 5. Here possible value of x equal to 5 by 8. But if it is only positive, if x is only positive, the expansion will be invalid because alternate terms are negative. Already a is negative. So x equal to, consider the value of x as the modulus x, that is 5 by 8. So plus or minus x, there is plus or minus 8, 5 by 8. So x is equal to, x is minus 5 by 8 and 5 by 8 is also positive value and negative value. There is possible positive and negative. Then only it will be valid of the expansion. Alternate terms are negative. So hence the set of values are x must be less than 5 by 2. 5 by 8 and x must be greater than minus 5 by 8. Our expansion first term is 1, so it should be not 0. This is the possible set of values of x. Question number 2. Using algebraic integration, find the exact value of. This integration is, the function is given the product of two functions. So we know the integration by parts, that is integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. So consider one of the function. This given integral function is, we are going to rewrite as integral 2 to 2 e square ln x by 2 into x cube dx. So consider this is u and this is dv. Now we can find what is u, what is v, what is v, what is du with the help of this given function. So we are going to write u is equal to ln x by 2. So what is du? Du is equal to, that is the differentiation of u with respect to x, that is log x. Ln x differentiation is 1 by x. So here 1 by x by 2. Now differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2 into dx. So these two will be cancelled. So du is equal to 1 by x dx. Now we can take dv. dv is equal to x cube into dx. How do we find v? By integrating. So v equal to x power 4 by 4. Now we can go through this formula. So the given integration is integral 2 to 2 e square ln x by 2 x cube dx is equal to uv. So ln x by 2 into x power 4 by 4 uv minus integral v du, that is x power 4 by 4 v du into 1 by x dx. At the last we can apply the limit. Here one of the x will be cancelled, that is x cube. So we are going to rewrite and let us integrate this part. So ln x by 2 x power 4 by 4 minus integration of x cube. 1 by 4 as a constant. Integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4. X power 4 by 4. The limit 2 to 2e square. Here no extra constant because the limit is given within the limit. So there is no extra constant. Now we can apply the limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit ln 2e square by 2 into x power 4. So 2e square the whole power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 16 x power 4 2e power 2 the whole power 4. This is the part of upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 2. So minus of, we can apply the limit 2, lower limit. So ln 2 by 2, 2 power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 16, 2 power 4. Here this term is going to be 0 because ln 1 value is 0. This term is going to be 0. Then minus of minus is positive. 2 power 4 also 16. 16 by 16. Let us simplify this. This term is going to be 0. Now we can simplify and write. These 2 will be cancelled. So ln e square. Ln e square value is 2. 2 ln e value is 1. So this value is 2 times 2 into e power 4 the whole power 4, that is 16 e power 8 by 4 minus here also 16 e power 8 by 16. Then minus of minus is plus, plus 16 by 16. Now we can simplify that. This is 1. This is 4. So 2 times 4 into e power 8 minus e power 8 plus 1. So 2 into 4 is 8. So that is 8 e power 8 minus e power 8 plus 1. That is 7 e power 8. 7 e power 8 plus 1. This is the answer, simplified form. Part A. Factorize x square minus 4y square, which is equal to, this expression is in the form of a square minus b square, that is x plus 2y times x minus 2y. Then part B. Part B, the equation is given x square minus 4y square, which is equal to 27. What we have to prove? Use proof by contradiction to prove that there is no positive integer. There is no positive integer. We have to assume the contradiction, there is a positive integer x and y. So let us assume that, there is positive integer. There is positive integer. Positive integers for x and y. So now we can prove that x square minus 4y square, already we factorized x plus 2y times x minus 2y, which is equal to 27. Here product of the two factors are 27. The possible factors are 1 and 27 or 27 and 1, 3 and 9 or 9 and 3. These two pairs are possible. So let us choose one by one. Consider x plus 2y is 1 and x minus 2y is 27. So the product is 27. X plus 2y is 1. X minus 2y equal to 27. We can solve and find the value of x and y. By adding the two equations, this term will be eliminated. So 2x is equal to 28. X equal to 14. which is an integer. Okay, which is an integer. Now we can replace the value of x. So 14 plus 2y is equal to 1. 2y is equal to 1 minus 14, that is minus 13. Y equal to minus 6.5, but this is not an integer. Not an integer. We know the integers, but this is a decimal number. This is not an integer. So our assumption is wrong. Let us try the second part. Second part is the factors are 3 and 9. So consider the first x plus 2y is 9 and x minus 2y is 3. By adding this term will be eliminated. So 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. Okay, which is an integer. X is an integer. Now we can replace the value of x. So 6 plus 2y is equal to 9. 2y is equal to 9 minus 6, that is 3. Y equal to 1.5. 1.5 is not an integer. Not an integer. So what we assumed there is positive integer x and y. But our assumption is wrong. Assumption is wrong. Assumption is wrong. There is no positive integer. There is no positive integer. Positive integer x and y. Therefore, use the substitution u equal to e power x plus 4. With the help of this substitution, the whole integration we are going to convert in terms of u. First, we can convert the limit. The limit is given 0 to ln x. We are going to convert in terms of u. So, when x equal to 0, u equal to e power 0 plus 4, that is 5. When x equal to ln 6, u equal to e power ln 6 plus 4, which is equal to e power ln 6 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So first we found the limit values a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. Now u equal to e power x plus 4. We can convert in terms of u. So let's find out e power x. E power x equal to u minus 4. Let it be. Now we can find du also. So u equal to e power x plus 4. Differentiation of u with respect to x equal to e power x. Let's find out dx. So dx is equal to du by e power x. Again e power x we can replace as. So dx is equal to du by u minus 4. Now we found the value of dx. We have e power x. Everything we can substitute in the first expression. So limit 0 to ln 6 to e power x plus 3 divided by e power x plus 4 into dx, which is equal to integral. So the we found the lower limit and upper limit is 5 to 10, 2 times e power x. E power x is u minus 4. So 2 times u minus 4 plus 3 divided by, again e power x is u minus 4 plus 4 times dx. dx is du by u minus 4. So this minus 4 plus 4 0, which is equal to, we can simplify and write in the lowest term. Integral 5 to 10 2u minus 8 plus 3 divided by u times u minus 4 du. So which is equal to integral 5 to 10 2u minus 5 by u into u minus 4 du. Here a and b are the limits. C equal to, what is C value? C value is 2 and D value is minus 5. This is the first part of the answer. Hence, using algebraic integration, show that this integration is P ln 2 plus Q ln 3. This integration we have written everything in terms of U. So, integral 0 to ln 6 2 e power x plus 3 by e power x plus 4 into dx is equal to integral 5 to 10 2u minus 5 by u into u minus 4 into du. Now, before integrating, we can do the partial fractions because the denominator is, there are two factors, u and u minus 4. That is easy to integrate. So, now we are going to do the partial fractions. So, 2u minus 5 by u into u minus 4, which is equal to a by u plus b by u minus 4. Now the numerator is going to be, the denominator, both denominators are equal, u into u minus 4, here also u into u minus 4. The numerator is 2u minus 5, which is equal to u minus 4 times a plus bu. We can remove the bracket by equating the coefficient of u and the constant term. So 2u minus 5, which is equal to au minus 4a plus bu. Now there are two terms of u. 2u minus 5 is equal to u into a plus b minus 4a. Now we can equate the coefficient of a, that is constant term. So minus 5 equal to minus 4a. So a equal to 5 by 4. We can equate the terms of u. So 2 equal to a plus b. We can replace the value of a. So b equal to 2 minus 5 by 4. That is b equal to 3 by 4. 8 minus 5 is 3 by 4. Okay. Now we found the value of a and b. Let's replace this value in the partial fractions. So 2u minus 5, the equation is integral 5 to 10 2u minus 5 by u into u minus 4 into du, which is equal to integral a by, so 5 by 4u plus 3 by 4 times u minus 4 into du within the limit 5 to 10. Now we can integrate 5 by 4 as the constant. 5 by 4 into 1 by u is, the integration is ln u plus 3 by 4 integration of u minus 4 denominator ln u minus 4 to the limit 5 to 10. First, always have to apply the upper limit and minus lower limit. First, let us apply the upper limit. 5 by 4 ln 10 plus 3 by 4 ln 10 minus 4 is 6. This is the upper limit. minus the lower limit is 5. So 5 by 4 ln 5 plus 3 by 4 ln 5 minus 4 is 1. So ln 1 value is 0. Now we can simplify 5 by 4 ln 10 plus 3 by 4 ln 6 minus 5 by 4 ln 5 plus 0. This term is become 0. So which is equal to, now let's check our answer. Answer we have to write in terms of P ln 2 plus Q ln 3. P ln 2, let's write here P ln 2 plus Q ln 3. This is the form of our answer. Here no terms ln 2 or ln 3. So let's ln 10 and ln 5. They have a coefficient 5 by 4, 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 ln A minus ln B is ln A by B. So ln 10 by 5 plus 3 by 4 ln 6 we can write in terms of 2 times 3. So ln 2 times 3. This is equal to 5 by 4 times ln 10 by 2, 10 by 5 is 2. So ln 2 plus 3 by 4 ln 2 plus 3 by 4 ln 3. Because ln A into B is ln A plus ln B. So which is equal to, let's simplify, which is equal to, now these two terms are ln 2 ln 2. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 by 4 ln 2 plus 3 by 4 ln 3. 8 by 4 is 2. So the answer is 2 ln 2 plus 3 by 4 ln 3. This is the answer. P equal to 2, P equal to 2 and Q equal to 3 by 4. The curve C has parametric equations x and y. The x and y are given in terms of t, that is the parametric form. P lies on C and has parameter t equal to 3. Find the coordinates of P. Let's find out the coordinates of P. Coordinates is x and y. So when when t equal to 3, x coordinate is 4 times 3 minus 5 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1. So x equal to 12 minus 5 is 7, 7 by 7 which is equal to 1, x coordinate. When t equal to 3, y coordinate is y equal to 2 times 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 3 plus 4. So 18 minus 12 plus 4 which is equal to 22 minus 12 is 10. So y equal to 10. Find the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P are, P is 1, 10. Part B, find dy by dx. dy by dx. But x and y are given in terms of t, which is the parametric form. Let's find out dy by dx. Before that, x equal to 4t minus 5 by 2t plus 1. And y is given 2t square minus 4t plus 4. Let's differentiate. Directly we can find out dy by dx. Before that we can differentiate x with respect to t. Dx by dt is equal to, we have to do, this is in the form of u by v. So u by v the whole dash is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This is the differentiation. So let's consider the numerator. This is the u, this is the v. So differentiation is 2t plus 1 v into u dash. That is differentiation of the numerator is 4 minus 4t minus 5 times differentiation of the denominator, that is 2, divided by b square 2t plus 1 the whole square. Let's simplify the numerator. So 4 times 2t is 8t plus 4 minus 8t plus 10 divided by 2t plus 1 the whole square. So which is equal to 80 is cancelled, 14 by 2t plus 1 the whole square. Let it be. This is dx by dt. Similarly, we can find out dy by dt also. dy by dt is equal to differentiation of y with respect to t, that is 4t minus 4. Now we can find out dy by dx. The differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Let's replace here dy by dt. dy by dt is 4t minus 4. So 4t minus 4 divided by dx by dt is 14 by 2t plus 1 the whole square. So which is equal to, here the numerator 4 is a common factor, t minus 1. This denominator will turn to as a reciprocal, so turn to the numerator, so that is 2t plus 1 the whole square divided by 14. Now these 4 and 14 we can cancel by the common factor of 2. So dy by dx is equal to, this will be 2, this will be 7. So 2 times t minus 1 into 2t plus 1 the whole square divided by 7. This is the differentiation of. Part C. Hence find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point P. Already we found the coordinates of P, that is x and y coordinates are 1, 9, 10. Write the answer in the form of y equal to mx plus c, where m and c are constant. We know that m is the gradient of the curve, which is dy by dx. Our dy by dx is also in terms of t, that is the parametric form. So at the point P, when the parametric form t is t equal to 3, which is already given in the question. So when t parameter t equal to 3. So let's replace t equal to 3 in our dy by dx. When t equal to 3, dy by dx, that is m is equal to 2 times 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 times, again 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 square is 49. So 49 divided by 7. So here this 7 will be cancelled. So the gradient of the curve at t equal to 3 is 4 7s are 28. Gradient we found 28. Now we can use the point 1. P is the point 1 comma 10 and the gradient m is 28. With the help of one point and the gradient, y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Use the point x1 and y1. So y minus 10, which is equal to 28 times x minus 1. Now we can remove the bracket and write the equation of the line in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So y minus 10 is equal to 28x minus 28. So y equal to 28x plus 10 minus 28, which is y equal to 28x minus 18. This is the required equation of the line. This question is, the Cartesian equation of C is y equal to f of x. The function f is defined for all values of x on C. Find the domain of f and range of f. Keep in mind, the domain is always the input value, that is x. Range is always the output value, that is y. Here we have x and y coordinates in the Cartesian form where x equal to 4t minus 5 by 2t plus 1 and y equal to 2t square minus 4t plus 4 when t must be greater than or equal to 0. So here the possible values of t are 0 less than or equal to t less than infinity. All the positive values are possible for t. Now let us find the domain, that is the input value, which is x. So when when t equal to 0, what is our x? X equal to 4 times 0 is 0 minus 5 by 0 plus 1, so which is equal to minus 5. When t equal to 0, x, the input value is minus 5. When t equal to infinity, x is equal to, infinity is an excluding value because it is an undefined value, x equal to 4 infinity minus 5 by 2 infinity plus 1. This is actually difficult to find, that is the undefined value. Anything divided by infinity is always 0. So 4 minus 5 by infinity divided by 2 plus 1 by infinity. Now easy to find. This value is 5 by infinity, 1 by infinity or 0. So 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2, which is excluding value. Now what is the range? What is the domain 0 to infinity? What is the domain? 5. Domain of f. Domain is minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2 because infinity. Now we can we can use in the bracket also, minus 5 is including value to 2 is an excluding value. This is the domain. Then second part is range. How to find out the range? Range is always the output value, that is y. We know that what is y? Y equal to 2t square minus 4t plus 4. Minus 4t plus 4. So this is actually the quadratic curve. So let us write in the completing square form. That is easy to find out the minimum value or maximum value of y. So to convert the completing square, 2 times t square minus 2t plus 2 minus 2 plus 4. So which is equal to 2 times t minus 1. The first 3 terms are going to be t minus 1 the whole square. T minus 1 the whole square. Then the last 2 terms are plus 2. So plus 2. See, here the turning point of this is the quadratic curve. It is open upward. The turning point of the curve is 1, 2. This is the minimum point of the curve. So minimum value of y is 2. Minimum is 2. All the other y values are more than 2, which is greater than 2. So the range is, lowest value is, range is 2 to infinity. That is 2 to infinity. This infinity is the excluding value, 2 is an including value, because the lowest value of the range is 2.